not noticed in this 2011 Cadillac CTS. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive, connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors, power steering. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.